What do you feel about divinity? What is divinity? So the boy, small boy, maybe 5th, 6th standard boy, he got up, he took Swami's Pad Namaskar, and he said, Swami, and that is divinity. Swami said, this is the answer. Witness was, when Bhagavan was talking with a few of his devotees. I happened to be there, sitting over there. And it was a big group, mixed group, the families, they were military people, and there were also some small kids and some elderly students also were there. So Swami was talking with everyone. And, this boy, the kid was sitting next to Swami, very close to Swami, near his feet. He was holding Swami's hand, like that. Swami's hand, and he was playing with his hand, like 5th, 6th standard boy. So suddenly, while talking, Swami suddenly, closed the palm like that. And, he kind of said, okay, open it now. And here he's talking with people, and that boy is trying to open one finger, this, that, nothing is moving. So the boy, got on his knees and was really very strongly was trying to open. Nothing was happening. Swami was just casually sitting, once in a while I was looking, again talking, the interview was going on. But it went on, and this boy somehow, was very smart. Behind him, these 2 big guys were sitting. Maybe there were some students or some, elderly, young guys. So, उनको दोनों को उस लड़के ने पटा लिया कि अभी स्वामी का आप मुझे help हो. पटा लिया means come let's try to, open Swami's palm. So, 3 of them, they are trying to open Swami. Swami casually ऐसे रखा था, just very, very casually put his hand like this. And finally, those boys also got on their knees, and with their full power, they were trying to open. Nothing was, not even the nail also moved, And then suddenly Swami saw that, these boys are thinking, no strength. Swami said, no strength. He said, what is this? There's no strength. Kya hai? So then the small boy said, Swami, you are God, you have divine strength, and you are using divine strength. How can we face, challenge the divine strength? Swami said, no, I am not using any divine strength. This is the natural body strength. This is the natural body. Abhi kholo, now open. So then they opened like a flower, So the boys were very curious. Swami, you said this is only the body power, the bodily power. So, and Swami, already this was 2008, 2009, and Swami used to go around in the wheelchair. Swami was a little frail that time. So the boys were wondering about the physical strength of Swami. Then Swami suddenly said, I am not using any divine powers, this is only bodily power. Same thing what Rama did, same thing what Krishna did. And then Swami suddenly went into that mode of Krishna. He said that, see, Krishna, when Kamsa came to, actually kill Krishna in the final attack, in Kamsa's mind, Swami said, in Kamsa's mind, he was very happy because he knew that today he is going to be killed from the divine hand. Actually, he knew that. That's what Swami said. So actually, before going for things, Kamsa actually bowed down to Bhagavan Krishna very lightly. And then, he went ahead like that. Because he knew that he is avatar. But that ego and that negativity was so full that, it was drowned, that whole goodness was drowned with that darkness. And then Swami said, when actually Krishna caught hold of Kamsa was really big and Krishna was not that big physically. So Krishna just with one, move, he hit threw Kamsa on his head and broke his neck. On the spot he died. The battle did not go long and I think it was very quick. And for that, he said, Krishna did not use his divine power. Swami was saying that. He was referring and explaining, and we were lost and actually looking at Swami as if, picturizing the whole thing, that Sakshat Krishna is sitting in front of us and he's telling that story, that look, this is how I did, this is what I did not use my divine power. So, divinity, so that topic came out, divinity. So, he met those boys, say, okay, divinity. So, can you speak something about divinity? He was a little apprehensive first. He said, Swami, divinity. And No, talk, stand up and talk. So he stood up and started talking on divinity. He took Swami's Pad Namaskar first and he started talking. Man, that boy spoke for 5-6 minutes divinity like wow. He spoke the whole, what is the best in the book and exactly what quotations of Swami has said. And everyone was like really impressed. And Swami said, nothing. So he made somebody else stand. A couple of big group. So elderly group. So he stood up and he spoke about divinity. He spoke even better than the first speaker. And we were like, trying to hide, entrepreneur. We never know. Swami will say, okay, you speak. So we, I kind of scared also. And, we were very much enthralled with that speech. So Swami said, oh, better. Or something, Swami was looking around. And finally he said to that boy, what do you feel about divinity? What is divinity? So the boy, small boy, maybe 5th, 6th standard boy, he got up, he took Swami's Pad Namaskar and he said, Swami, I am too small to know what is divinity. You are God, you are divine, and that is divinity. Swami said, this is the answer. What is divinity is his answer. And Swami created something for that boy, a chain, and put it around his neck. And then, how big is divinity, and that, because the topic was around that time. So, boy went on asking to Swami, the big boys were also asking. It was a very rare kind of interaction. And Swami said, the boys asked that, Swami, divinity, when we try to describe, we do not know the proportions. We do not know how big it is. Maybe it is space. Maybe it is, the biggest thing we know is space. So Swami told, how big is space? He asked one of the elderly boys. Then he says, Swami, there are so many galaxies and, everything. And he tried to, the Milky Way, this way, that galaxy, and they're so 800 light years away and blah, blah, blah. Whatever, bookish knowledge we have, we tried to, and finally it was the end. Swami said, that is nothing. Space is not complete, Swami said. Space is enlarging. It is getting bigger and bigger every day. And right now, he said, only 1/3 of the space is created. So Swami said, then the boys asked, Swami, how big is space? So Swami said, see, if you start from one point of the space, and you go around the whole space, all the galaxies and whatever, and you try to come back to the same point again. Swami actually told some figure, which I exactly don't remember, but he said something like 200 and something crore light years, because if you travel at light speed, that was what the amount of years we will take, and that amount was unmeasurable. Even any calculator won't fit that amount. And that big is space, and that is only 1/3. The whole space is yet to be created. So you were like, oh wow, and this is divine, and also. So again the boy said, Swami, then what is divinity? Then Swami said, very lovingly to that boy, said, that whole space is just a dot in the eye. That's what Swami said, just a dot in the eye. And if this eye shuts, everything is gone. What a beautiful experience here. Amazing.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Dhananam Tva Ghanapati-gum Havamai Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jyestarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspatan Shunvannotivisedasadanam Prano Devi Saraswati Vaje Birvajinivati Dhenama Vitrayavatu Ganeshaya Namah Saraswatyai Namah Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Om Shanti 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 Sahasrasirisham Devam Visvaksham Vishvasambhuvam Vishvam Narayanam Devam Aksharam Paramam Param विश्वता परमा नित्यं विश्वं नारायणगुं हरिं विश्वमेवेदं पुरुषस्तद्विश्वम् उपजीवति पतिं विश्वस्यात्मेश्वरगुं शाश्वतगुं शिवमच्युतं नारायणं महानेयं विश्वात्मानं परायणं नारायण परो ज्योतिरात्मा नारायणः परः नारायण परं ब्रह्म तत्त्वं नारायणः परः नारायण परो ध्याता ध्यानं नारायणः परः यच्च किञ्चित् जगत् सर्वं दृश्यते श्रूयतेऽपि वा अन्तर्बहिश्च तत्सर्वं व्यापनारायणस्थितः अनन्तमव्ययं कविगुं समुद्रे तं विश्वशम्भुवं पद्मकोशा प्रतीकासगुं हृदयं चाप्यधोमुखम् अधो निष्ट्या वितस्त्यान्ते नाभ्यामुपरि तिष्ठति ज्वालमालाकुलं भाति विश्वस्यायतनुं महत् सन्ततगुं शिलाभिष्टुलम्बत्यकोशसन्निभं तस्यान्ते सुशिरगुं सूक्ष्मं तस्मिन् सर्वं प्रतिष्ठितम् तस्य मध्ये महा अग्निर्विश्वाचिर्विश्वतोमुखः सोऽघ्रभुग्विभजन् दिष्टन्नाहारमजरः कविः तिर्यघुत्वा मदसायि रश्मयस्तस्य सन्ततां सन्तपयति स्वं देहम् आपादतलमस्तकः तस्य मध्ये भनिशिखा अनिर्योद्वा व्यवस्थितः नीलतो यदमध्यष्टद्विद्युलेकेव भास्वरां नीवारसुकवत्तन्वी पीताभास्वत्यनुपमां तस्याः शिखायां मध्ये परमात्मा व्यवस्थितः स ब्रह्म स शिवः स हरिसेन्द्र सोऽक्षर परमस्वराट् ॐ शान्ति 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 निधनपतये नमः निधनपतान्तिकाय नमः ऊर्ध्वाय नमः ऊर्ध्वलिङ्गाय नमः हिरण्याय नमः हिरण्यलिङ्गाय नमः सुवर्णाय नमः सुवर्णलिङ्गाय नमः दिव्याय नमः दिव्यलिङ्गाय नमः भवाय नमः भवलिङ्गाय नमः सर्वाय नमः सर्वलिङ्गाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवलिङ्गाय नमः ज्वालाय नमः ज्वाललिङ्गाय नमः आत्माय नमः आत्मलिङ्गाय नमः परमाय नमः परमलिङ्गाय नमः एतत्सोमस्य सूर्यस्य सर्वलिङ्गगष्टापायति पानिमन्त्रं पवित्रं सत्यो जातं प्रपद्यामि सत्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः भवे भवेनाति भवे भवस्व मां भवोर्भवाय नमः वामदेवाय नमो ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमः कलविकरणाय नमो बलविकरणाय नमो बलाय नमो बलप्रमथनाय नमः सर्वभूतदमनाय नमो मनोन्मनाय नमः अघोरेभ्यो थघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात् ईशानः सर्वविद्यानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपते ब्रह्मणोऽधिपते ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवो नमो हिरण्यबाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अम्बिकापतये उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः ॐ शान्ति 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 मेधादेवेजुसमानानागात् विश्वाचि भद्रासु मनश्यमानां तयाजुस्तानुदमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहद्वदेम विरते सुवीरान् त्वयाजुस्तारिषिर्भवति देवि त्वया ब्रह्मा गतश्रीरुथ त्वयाजुस्तश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानु जुषस्वाद्रविणो न मेदे मेधामयीन्द्रो ददातु मेधां देवी सरस्वतीं मेधा मे अश्विनः उभावाधत्तां पुष्करस्रजाम् अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वे सुचयन्मनः देवीं मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधासुरभिर्जुषतागुं स्वाहा आमां मेधासुरभिः विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगते जगम्याम् ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सा मां मेधा सुप्रत्येकाजुषन्तां मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि इन्द्रियं ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो व्राजो ददातु हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंसः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति 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 विष्णोर्नुकं वीर्याणि प्रवोचं यः पर्तिवानि विममे रजागुंसि यो अस्कभायदुत्तरगुं सरस्तं विचक्रमानस्त्रेडोरुगायः तदस्य प्रियमपि पातो अस्यां नरो यात्र देवयवो मदन्ति उरुक्रमस्य सैबन्धुरित्तां विष्णो परे परमे मत्व उत्साहं प्रतद्विष्णुस्तवते वीर्याय मृगो न भीमा कुचरो गिरिस्तां यस्योरुषो त्रिषु विक्रमणेषु अधिक्षयन्ति भुवनानि विश्वां परो मात्रया तनुवावृदान् नाते महित्वा मन्वस्नुवन्ति उबेते विद्मरजसे पृथिव्या विष्णो देवत्वं परमस्य वित्से विचक्रमे पृथिवीमे स एतां क्षेत्राय विष्णोर्मनुषे दशस्यन् ध्रुवासु अस्य कीरयो जनासः उरुक्षितिगुं सुजनिमाचकार तिर्देवा पृथिवीमे स एतां विचक्रमे सतर्चसं महित्वा प्रविष्णुरस्तु त्ववसस्तवेयान् त्वे सा गत्यस्यस्तविरस्य नामाम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नीलादेवी गुं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये घृणाहि घृतवतीर्सवितराधिपत्ये पयस्वतिरन्तिराशानो अस्तु ध्रुवादिशां विष्णुपत्यघोर शेषानः सहसो यामनोतां बृहस्पतिर्मातरिस्वोतवायु सन्दुवानावाता अभिनो गृह्णन्तु विष्टम्बो दिवो धरुणः पृथिव्या अशेषाना जगतो विष्णुपत्नीम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महेशां को ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
दया करो हरि नारायणा। दया करो हरि नारायणा। करुणा सागर नारायणा। करुणा सागर नारायणा। पंकज नयना नगशयना। पंकज नयना नगशयना। श्रीवासुदेवा नारायणा। श्रीवासुदेवा नारायणा। पाप विनाश प्रशांति वास। पाप विनाश प्रशांति वास। पति पुरी नारायणा। पति पुरी नारायणा। परमानंद करो हरि नारायणा। करुणा सागर नारायणा। पंकज धरना पल्लव धरना। श्रीवासुदेवा नारायणा। पाप विनाश प्रशांति वास। पति पुरी नारायणा। परमानंद नारायणा। परमानंद नारायणा। दया करो हरि नारायणा। पर्तिपुरेश्वर करुणा सिंधु दशरथ नंदन पर्तिपुरेश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप प्रशांति निकेतन मारुति सेवितरा प्रेम स्वरूप प्रशांति निकेतन मारुति सेवितरा अवल्योदारक राजीवलोचन रघुकुल भूषण अवल्योदारक राजीवलोचन रघुकुल भूषण करुणा सिंधु दशरथ नंदन पर्तिपुरेश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप प्रशांति निकेतन मारुति सेवितरा अवल्योदारक राजीवलोचन रघुकुल भूषण अवल्योदारक राजीवलोचन रघुकुल भूषण करुणा सिंधु दशरथ नंदन पर्तिपुरेश्वर
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
Govinda गोविंद भजो राधे गोविंद गोपाल गोपाल भजो कृष्ण मुकुंद हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम
भजो मधुर हरि नाम निरंतर भजो मधुर हरि भजो मधुर हरि नाम निरंतर भजो मधुर हरि सरल भाव से साई भजो मधुर भाव से बाबा भजो हरि सुख हरि शांति हरि सुख हरि शांति हरि प्रशांति निवासी राम हरि प्रशांति निवासी राम भजो मधुर हरि नाम निरंतर भजो मधुर हरि नाम सरल भाव से साई भजो प्रशांति निवासी राम हरि प्रशांति निवासी राम भजो मधुर हरि नाम निरंतर भजो मधुर हरि नाम
सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भजे मानस निरन्तरम् सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भजे मानस निरन्तरम् परम पवित्रं पावन चरणं परम पवित्रं पावन चरणं कलिमल दहनं श्री गुरु चरणं कलिमल दहनं श्री गुरु चरणं भव भयनाशक दुरित निवारण भव भयनाशक दुरित निवारण पतिपुरीश्वर पंकज चरणं पतिपुरीश्वर पंकज चरणं भजे मानस निरन्तरम् मानस निरन्तरम् सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भजे मानस निरन्तरम् परम पवित्रं पावन चरणं कलिमल दहनं श्री गुरु चरणं भव भयनाशक दुरित निवारण पतिपुरीश्वर पंकज चरणं भजे मानस निरन्तरम् भजरे मानस निरन्तरम् भजरे मानस निरन्तरम् सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भजे मानस निरन्तरम्
जगतपते हरि साई गोपाला जगतपते हरि साई गोपाला सर्वोदारा साई नंदलाला जगदोदारा साई नंदलाला मधुरे गान विलोला जगदोधारा साई नंदलाला जय जय गोपाला 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 जगदोधारा साई नंदलाला
शांति 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 भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् शांति 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात् साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात् साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात् शांति शांति शांति
Om Saram, Bhagavan's counsel for today. Prayer for some benefit or gain should not be addressed to God, for it means that God waits until He is asked. Surrender to Him. He will deal with you as He feels best, and it would be the best for you. God does not dole out grace in proportion to the praise He receives. When you pray for a thing from God, you run the risk of condemning Him if for some reason that prayer is not answered the way you wanted it to be or as quickly as you wanted it to be. This contingency arises because you feel that God is an outsider staying in heaven or some holy spot far away from you. God is in you. God is in every word, deed and thought of yours. Speak, do and think as it befits Him. Do the duty that He has allotted to the best of your ability and to the satisfaction of your conscience. That is the most rewarding puja. Jai Sai Ram. And now we shall offer Mangala Arati to Bhagwan.
संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतीका आश्रित कल्पलतीका आपदार्णवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदेव मरियन्दयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्दयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशयना ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूपा ओम साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती मंगल आरती मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्